with the videos. I hope you're still sticking around. If you're watching this, thank you for stopping by and taking a look at the video. It's been a minute, so I'll probably give you a little update as I open up my latest cloth and paper box. It hurts my soul, but I stopped the other two subscription boxes and I'm focusing on my personal wide. Um, I did not start the year with the personal wide. I started, I think, around May, June. But this is actually a Gilio personal wide. My husband bought it for me when I said I was debating about it because I did get a promotion. So he gave me a congrats planner. So know your audience. That's one reason why we're married, probably. But anyway, so this is my personal wide, and really love it. I've been trying to use it a lot compared to like how I was using everything else in the past. Trying to keep everything in like one, like this is my section for prep to go back to school for my MBA. So I have an MBA section, which I wouldn't have before, and I just saw this was like the perfect little vision to kick off that section. And then the schools I'm applying to, notes, where I am in the process, and then just like some to-do lists, budget section. I don't know if you. I'm probably gonna do like a video about where I was with my planner system and then where I am now, and where I want to go, and kind of maybe just if you're interested in a brainstorm type video, let me know because I'm trying to figure it out, but I like the process of figuring it out. Like I just told my husband not too long ago that I'm so excited because it's planner season. Like everyone's excited about pumpkin spice. I personally don't like pumpkin spice much, but I love that it's planner season because now this is the time when we plan for a new year and set new goals. But anyway, I did say I stopped my other two subscriptions, and just because they were both about to renew. One was a penscription box, which I love, and maybe I'll get that standalone. But for now, I'm just sticking with the personal wide. But as soon as I canceled the subscriptions, I was like, oh my God, this notebook, I should have kept those subscriptions. And then I told myself, you know what? You're saving the money because now you think you've found your size. Because again, my personal size is just my habit tracker. So like I say fun inserts, but like I use my tried and true inserts for this. I don't really vary. I use the standard inserts for my sleep tracker and my weekly like habit tracker here. And so I don't do much other than literally just my habits. Quick update. This is such a tangent, but I haven't given you updates in a while. I bought a new pen. It probably hurts your soul to look at this. So apologies in advance. I feel you. I'm with you. I get it, but I can't help it. I started tracking with one, just my standard Tombos. I tracked either long weekends or I tracked when I wasn't really tracking because it was so busy or I was exhausted. And then I realized the dots were really getting to me. I don't know how I made it this far, but I got new pens, this dual tip dot marker. They're cheap. It was like 25 for 10 or 11 bucks versus forget what the brand was, but it was like 5 for 16. But so far I'm already loving just the way that looks. All the dots are even. You don't have to like try and make it all the same size. It's just much easier to do that. All of this to say that I don't need weekly inserts for my personal size. But, I mean, how do you not? I'm just obsessed. I wish I could stay full forever because of the setup. Alas, cannot. Although, no one really sees that. I could keep it fall all year round with my planner. All of this to say, I wish I didn't cancel my subscription boxes because I saw them on the bottom of my phone. But then, what, 2 subscription renewals would be how much money? I'm like, just buy another one if you really use it. Or, because you're crazy, you just have 50 notebooks you never use, but you don't know when you're going to need it. I love the way this feels. I feel like this month the cloth and paper box kind of stepped it up a little bit. Now, I love cloth and paper, obviously. What's the deal with that? Is that just like an accident? But this is like my Stalogy. So, I like the rings. It flips easier because you can do this, and just lay it flat. I love the color. It's a little more brown than it comes off on camera, but it's kind of like, it's basically set up like this A5 Stalogy I use for work. Let me get to where there aren't confidential things. So it's kind of similar. So if you're curious, it is set up like some of her dailies in cloth and paper. So it's basically, it's nearly the same. The grids in the Stalogy are a little smaller. This is a little larger, which, I don't know, if you write bigger, maybe that's nice. But I really like the feel of it. What does that say? Just cloth and paper, executive notes, Richmond, Virginia. I love it, love it, love it. This is great. But unfortunately, I don't have extras this month. However, like I said in the last video, I have so many doubles and triples from my cloth and paper subscriptions. If you're interested in stuff, let me know. What else? We got that. Clip. It just goes over the book. Yeah. Oh, it's like a magnetic ollie black type clip. How much can you fit in it? Never know. So it's more of a, it's like a bookmark. It's kind of thick. It looks like the similar leather on their planners. It reminds me of one of the Louis Vuitton leathers that I see in videos because I don't have one. But I forget what it's called. If you know it, leave it in the comments. But so paperclip, so very cool. Sticky notes. At least it's a color notes that's simple and you don't need a white pen to write on it. I don't know if you're with me that like the dark notepads are kind of hard to use sometimes. So I really like that color. This dashboard, stop measuring days by degree of productivity and start experiencing them by degree of presence. Yes, I agree. I would like to get better at that. I actually am getting better at that. Getting better at setting boundaries with my phone, even on and off. Do not disturb and all that jazz. Alright, what do we got here? The usual month card. They're super cute and decorative. Do I ever pull them out to reference the dates? No. Grandeur. Okay, cool. Not everything has a meaning. But you can find meanings in most things. I like that. Marakai. To do something with soul, creativity, or love. To put something of yourself into your work. Cool. I guess, you know, do something with your soul and love and creativity. Put yourself into work. It almost, in my mind, contradicts that a little bit, but maybe not. I'm finding the meaning in it, I guess. Alignment, personal wide. Alignment, you attract in the physical is a match to your inner reality. Okay. We'll see what that means. Law of attraction. Ooh. All right. What do you value? 6 steps to identify and align your personal core values. What do you think about this, folks? I know what my core values are. There might have been times when I didn't. Oh, that's not true. I knew my core values. I wasn't surrounding myself with people all the time that align with my core values. Reconnect with internal experiences that we often forget. Write a value statement. Very cool. Value statement, place visible every day. Total body wellness approach. Yes, always. I'm not sure what we're supposed to do with the dates here. Maybe just the day you did it, like a journal. Be vulnerable with yourself all the time, and it's terrifying. Intentionally set aside time to check in with yourself, fully experiencing your present state and recentering yourself with things that fill you with energy. Yes, like planning. Paper products. Our words are powerful and should be treated with respect. 30, evaluating your core values. This is interesting for like defining your core values. I can see it if like, trying to think of when you don't know it. Maybe I remember going through a period where like you leave high school, you go to college, and it was like, all right, I'm not talking about people behind their back. Didn't feel good. It never felt good. I'm gonna stop doing it. So maybe a period like that, or you get a new job, or you move and you're reflecting. You broke up, you're in a new relationship. I can see a lot of reasons why you do it. Values with work, self-belief. I like this. I might have to get creative with how I use it, but maybe in my New Year's setup. I'm really looking forward to doing those videos. I don't entirely know what I'm going to use yet, and I guess I've been putting off some of the videos because I don't know what I'm really going to do, but I shouldn't let that stop me, right? Because why should it? I enjoy watching the videos of like people going through their process. That didn't work too well, did it? So it looks like a goals. It's at the beginning of the month. Oh, I only missed a page. I thought I was leaving out a lot more. It's just super tiny. Goals, intentions, bills. I have a lot more bills than that in a month. But maybe that's just like, maybe you can set that for if you're doing a no spend or if you're doing a low spend. You can max out and give yourself, say, okay, I'm only going to give myself 6 lines. That's like something every week and a half. Half a week. So that's a neat calendar view. Again, still, cloth and paper if you're listening. I love my loves. Please work on maybe some of these that are like vertical, weeks this way, the days this way. Because I want to use this layout so bad, but my mind is so messed up looking at it this way. But it feels weird. I can try it, but I love, like, to me, it's like, all right, I got through half the week. I got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I got the hard days are over. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, boom. Like, I just mentally like that shift. And I swear I need to, I do have an Etsy shop, and I'm working on all of the budget trackers for next year. I thought I was going to get all of my inserts up in July, but fun fact, my husband and I, we had the ride of our lives this year because we're going through infertility treatments, and that has knocked us on our butts. So I didn't get around to it, but I'm giving myself grace, and I know you all are so supportive and kind and wonderful, and so you understand, but I haven't gotten to that yet, and I really want to because I love that. And the budget trackers I made, I've been using religiously for years, and I keep fine-tuning, and it has saved me and brought me from such a different mental state and physical space with finances. So I really want to share that with you. I'm going to work on it. Yeah, anyway, that was a tangent. But I like these minimal shapes. This is better than like the page reinforcer video I did. I know a couple of you said, oh my god, reinforcers, that's the first thing I thought of. Like, it just screams millennial that that's what we think of. But that's it. So that's the unboxing for the month, and I super greatly appreciate you joining. You're all wonderful and spectacular and deserve happiness, and you're so very kind for tuning in. I appreciate all of your support, all of your likes, and your interaction. I love interacting with you. So if it, as usual, if you have any comments or questions about anything or anything in general, just leave them below. A couple of you have seen the habit tracker that I was going to do skincare. I do facials and I track my skincare. I do plan to do videos. I had gotten I was kind of down one weekend because I was studying and just not feeling the best of myself. And I don't know, I didn't do too well, just mentally. I started to go down my old habit of like going down a spiral of just, I don't know. I wasn't up for it. And I feel like you would have seen it in my voice or my demeanor. But I've been doing better, been studying a little more, practicing more. Like my husband always says, it was like you were juggling a bunch of balls. Some of them are glass, some of them are rubber. The GMAT was a rubber ball. You could let that one bounce. And so I just kind of told myself that, and I'll get to it, and maybe this weekend for some self-care. And this was a very chatty unboxing, and I've just missed doing videos, and you can probably tell because I'm just yammering on. But anyway, I will close it out so it's not too long. I hope you liked some of these products. I hope it helped to give you some ideas. I hope maybe it just let you disconnect and relax and kick your feet up and kind of recharge for a little bit. If this let you do that, let me know, because that is just, it is so important. The older I get and the more things on our plates, I think we just really realize to appreciate that a lot more. But thank you so much. Thanks for tuning in. I look forward to talking to you again soon. I'll do another video soon, and have a great weekend. Bye, y'all.